I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change the Audacity display theme. Step 1. Click Edit in the menu along the top of the screen, and then click Preferences. The Preferences interface window opens. Step 2. Make sure Interface is selected in the menu on the left side of the screen. Associated options are shown on the right side of the screen. Step 3. Navigate to the Display section and then click to expand the drop-down menu next to Theme. Clicking Classic will revert you to the traditional Audacity theme. Choosing Light will give you the new default theme. This is what it will look like if you choose Dark, and this is what your Audacity display will look like if you choose High Contrast. Step 4. Click OK after making your changes, which will be saved and applied immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.